first time here in the summertime like this. One thing about it, it was quick in the airport. I love that. But we're gonna see what it's gonna be like with the heat. Right now it's an overcast. It feels good.
But the people at the resort, they are lazy too. There's no people. Yeah. There's maybe like 20 people maybe in each resort. Grand Ventana, maybe 40 people. Kind of more busy for, you know, like local people or whatever. Yeah, because it's what it is. It's summertime.
Season. That all season.
Yeah, all season. November, we're gonna have like maybe 40 cruise ships coming to Puerto Plata.
In 1 month.
In 1 month, yeah.
And right now is how many per month?
Right now it's only 10.
Jeez.
No, we have 10. We have to flip her by 270 car drivers. That's too much.
So y'all know when
too much car driving for 10 cruise ship.
So y'all know what it is.
Hey.
We need 10 of y'all to come on down here. So one have something to do.
Yeah, I have something to do. I can tell you. But the new port coming up, Bergantin, that's gonna be. They're gonna be a new project, the fuel tank, because Puerto Plata, you know, is Ben Diesel started running that company for lifestyle, a lot of different kind of companies. They wanna invest money over here and in Montellano, because that's the Montellano is the part of the Bergantin. Yes. Bergantin. So it's gonna be soon, guys. Okay, get ready, buddy.
And that means y'all need to look at the car. Yeah, that means y'all need to come and invest some money in the properties over here too.
Yeah,
we'll take you around.
Take you around, yeah.
What's this? Look at this car.
It is a healthy. It's not like a cornbread, because cornbread puts so much sugar. You know what I mean?
What's bring me?
Arepa.
Arepa.
Everybody like arepa. It tastes delicious, man.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, right?
The sugar in it, though, isn't it?
A little sugar. Yeah, no, honey.
Oh, okay.
They put honey, not sugar. No, because people don't like sugar, you know what I mean?
It's good. It's good. So it's made with corn?
With corn, yeah.
It's gonna be sweet anyway with corn.
Yeah.
It's been
You live it like 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not taking too long. 2 weeks, that's it, because that's a root from the tree, you know what I mean? Very medicine for the body.
You know how to make it. Good one like this one, 40% wine, 40% rum, and a 20% honey.
40% wine, 40% rum, 20% honey.
Yeah, in case that you want a little bigger, stronger, then you put a 50% rum and 30% red wine.
Red wine.
And honey. You can find it out in USA.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Pregúntale que si se la van a sellar de nuevo. O se la dejan.
Sí, dale un sello.
You wanna close the gate?
Oh, yeah. Close.
That's the last forever, don't forget.
Last forever.
That's one.
Gracias.
Because that's the first time that it doesn't gonna taste it 100% like this one.
Yeah.
More time that you feel it, gonna taste better and better.
Oh, okay.
You drink it and your señorita gonna be happy. we call it Dominican Viagra, that one.
Okay.
Hervy just touched down in Puerto Plata. And first things first. In case any visitors arrive during the stay, first thing he does is grab a bottle of what Dominicans call Mama Juana, a.k.a. Grandma's moonshine with swagger.
Oh, okay.
This ain't your average rum. This is roots, bark, wine, honey, and a whole lot of mystery.
Okay.
Legend says it
30
cures
pesos.
what ails you,
American.
boosts your mojo, and might just make you
My
dance
head
like
wet,
you're in a
man.
bachata
Sweat.
video.
That's what I
Is it
like.
magic?
I know about it.
Medicine? Is it a trap?
I ain't about that shit.
I don't know.
This is.
But if he wakes up in a hammock talking fluent Spanish, blame the Mama Juana.
Yeah, how much?
That one is 30. That's a Puerto Plata.
Nah.
That's beautiful one.
Yeah, man, I don't.
That's an L.
You see what I got on? A plain T-shirt.
That's a
I'm
plain
not
Puerto
gonna- I'm not going to
Plata.
spend $30 on a T-shirt
Okay.
unless it got my name on it.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't spend it on that. I get
We got also the rock.
no,
Some Dominican coffee.
no,
Beans coffee.
no, thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Who paints?
Different. For example, this one and this one is a Pedro Basque.
Hey, local?
On the- yeah, local. Yeah.
Pedro Basque.
And that one, two, these two. The fine paint. That one is Pedro Basque. These three.
Local painter.
Yeah, local. Yeah.
That's nice.
That's a nice
We got
store, right?
the little art over there. If you wanna just take it one.
Oh no, I ain't buying
Just
one.
the
But I want to
eight-
let them know you
eight-
got it.
8 by 10. Just 8 by 10. 8 by 10. We got.
But you got your Mama Juana for a long time. The very
Yeah, that's the
beautiful,
last
like,
forever.
Like
No,
a year
no.
for you.
That's the last forever. But never leave dry.
Never let it dry.
Never leave dry. Yeah.
Always put it in
Muchas
wine.
gracias, mi amigo.
De nada, señor. Keep enjoying. God bless you. Thank you for.
I
your-
bring a little honey for my house, for my mom. Okay. We gotta get it down there. That's it, the boulevard.
The Malecon.
The Malecon. Oh, you know.
Ocean right there.
Ocean right there. Ocean is fucked up now. It's dirty.
Wow.
Some kind of
High
rain.
tide.
There's some kind of rain, that's why. When the temperature like that, it's hard to catch some fish.
Look dirty.
Yeah, it looks very good.
What, too much rain.
Too much rain yesterday, yeah.
And the rivers and whatnot dump into it.
Yeah, the river is not good. Mommy, 27 River is okay. Because 27 River, remember, is the one that comes from the ground. You know what I mean?
It's in the mountain.
Yeah,
Puerto
mountain.
Plata in July. Fast facts. Average temperature. Daytime highs 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. 31 to 32 degrees Celsius. Nighttime lows 74 to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. 23 to 24 degrees Celsius. It's hot, but with that ocean breeze, it's bearable, mostly. Average sunshine, 7 to 8 hours of sunshine per day, enough to tan, sweat, and rethink your life choices. Rainfall, approximately 10 to 13 rainy days in the month. Mostly short, heavy tropical bursts, then back to sun, think flash rain, quick rinse, and back to the beach. Humidity, high, like, why did I wear jeans? High. Usually 75 to 85%. Great for glowing skin, bad for frizz sea temperature, 83 degrees Fahrenheit, 28 degrees Celsius, perfect for swimming, floating, or just pretending to exercise.
Oh, wait. I know I'm
Tourist
coming here.
vibe. Still in low season equals fewer crowds plus better deals. But bring your own fun if you're looking to party like a rock star. But having a good time is about you. Be the party, and you won't need to find one.
It's the longest that I've been gone away since I first got a place down here. My internet is off. My power is good though. At least I got the AC on. But I think I'll make it down here before they close. I just tried to call. Hola, hola. What's up? I just tried to call. There is someone there that speaks English, but not the person that answers the phone. And I think she said to hit her back with that. This place right here, about a block over from the Malecon. There's the number. The Bar 43. Don't know how much they're gonna run. It's like, I said a block over. It's a main street over, but really about blocks over. 2 or 3 blocks over. That's a cable place right there. 2,400 pesos. We back in business. That's what the building looks like as you come up on it. The same building that we went by that I said they were selling units. It's right beside the Brugal. In the back. Liquor
It
factory.
says on Friday.
Distribution.
Yeah, 3, I think it said Sacosa. Anyway, free soup. It's gonna be like a big old cookout out there, but soup, not barbecue. It says it's gonna be about 100 people. We'll see. The AC is pumping. So, I'll show you spare rooms in case you want to rent one of these when you come. It's a little twin. Not much of a view. You go outside and walk down the street to the beach for that. I mean, kitchen, kitchen.
This apartment was an Airbnb. This place runs $900 per month. It's a good deal for a gated community in this neighborhood. For a lot of properties, you can do monthly, 6-month, and yearly terms. It's 1.5 blocks from the beach on the Malecon. But you can find rentals from $500 and up. Homes from $200,000 and up. You can buy condos for $100,000 and up. Get away from the beach and you can find 90,000 3-2s.
There you go. Same thing here. You know, the view is not from in here. Definitely don't want to look at that window. Neighbors. In the back. Not for viewers. The view is outside, down the street at the beach. And this, this is my room, so that's not. But that's what we got here. You come down, let me know.